Alright, everybody. Tom's gonna try 5 more boxes of this Star Wars High-Tek. Good luck. Here we go. Oh, we got a red. A red number to 5. Good luck. Alright, we got Wampa. Tilt this down a little bit. Wampa. Got Koth. Sachet Tin. I feel like I'm pulling the same guy as C.O. Bibble. Fortuna. And we got Gerald Home autograph as Tessic. Gerald Home autograph. And the red is Hira Syndulla. 1 out of 5. Red Orbit Refractor. 1 out of 5. Hira Syndulla. Rebel Pilot of the Ghost. Yeah, we pull a few of her in this case too. All right, we need a sketch card. Come on. Is this it? Is this a sketch card here? Did I call that or what? Nice. Man. Good luck. Alright, Piet, Ali, Unudo, Obi-Wan Kenobi. We got a gold number to 50 of Sebubla. I'll slide these 2 cards off the back. Han Solo, nice. Number to 99. Han Solo. Harko. And the sketch card is a 101 of Palpatine, right? There you go. I got it. That's a nice one. Nice color. They usually have the artist sign the back, don't they?
Oh, he got the Sith.
Yeah, there's a sketch card. The sketch cards are tough to hit. Man, I need your help like hockey.
Oh, I know.
Well, a lot of these people are Clone Wars.
Because
And I
I
don't,
bought
I don't
a
know.
case. Well, how many boxes?
Yeah. Well, he bought 10 boxes from this case, and he said he's gonna do another case. Ooh, we got another red. Dang. All right, Han Solo. Wintress. Poodle. Han Solo. Ooh, look at that. We got an autograph of Ayla Sakura as Amy Allen.
She's a Jedi too, isn't she? Red's out of 5, isn't
I
it?
couldn't tell you. Yeah, we hit another red of Sabine Wren. 2 out of 5.
That looks like the cartoon.
Yeah, the Clone Wars, I don't...
Yeah, I don't know the Clone Wars cartoons
Yeah.
either. But
That's Rebel Weapons Expert. Sabine Wren.
no, I'm just looking at
And Wampa. 2 boxes left. Poor Nick. Gonna get ripped on YouTube. General Veers, Singh, Ren, Boba Fett, Sakura again. We got Yoda autograph. Nice.
Wow.
Deep Roy autograph. 25 out of 25 Yoda. Very nice. 25 out of 25. Very nice. Todd 360, number 99. And Count Dooku. You know, I played so many Star Wars video games, you think I'd know them.
Yeah, right.
But I just haven't watched the movies. Yeah, number to 25, Cloud. That's an awesome hit. Alright, last box. Good luck. InkedGaming.
Oh, we're gonna sell out of this one.
Yeah, we're already sold out.
In both cases?
Yeah. Sorry, Joe. Oh, I thought we had a redemption for a second. All right, Anakin Skywalker, Captain Antilles, BB-8. That's the new one, right?
Yeah, that's the new one.
Greedo, Gente. We got Michael Carter autograph, 3/50 as Bib Fortuna, gold auto,
He's like Jabba's
3/50.
right hand guy.
Yeah, Jabba the Hutt's Major Domo. We got Chopper, number to 25. Oops. Chopper 23/25. And Hera Syndulla. Alright, thank you, InkedGaming, Thomas. Appreciate it. See everyone next time, Breakers.tv/Jaspi.